Dismiss my flight. Good morning. Well, I'm at the airport right now. I'm just waiting. My flight is at 2:50. I'm gonna try to get some more done here.
Go outside. Big time forward. The star boy there, so. Came into the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy, strip, no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy got me number. When me tune drop the girls that bounce along. We don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in and the place me on that taker. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So guys, I'm going on my way. Flight is about to board. So I'm gonna pack up and leave. Guys, I guess I'll see you in Atlanta. Guys, I missed my flight earlier because customs decide that they want to hold me up in an area, so therefore I missed my first flight. So I'm gonna try to get the next flight for the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm actually at the gate right now, so we'll see how that goes. The flight I was supposed to be on, I got held up in customs. Give me an next flight for 9:15. Reach here 9:15. There's a bunch of persons waiting for the same flight. So that flight full. So I'm gonna push back on the next flight, which is at freaking 10:25. Hopefully that will be full again. That one's too. If that is full, guys, I am screwed right now. Paper, and then they have the lights on it. And the inside of them is cool. Yeah, instead of talking, I should be walking so I don't miss the next flight again. That is customs at time. Customs. General, I can't bother. Let's see if this flight full too. Because if this flight is full, that means it's tomorrow before we actually get home. So we'll see about that. Yeah, the dog was freaking took up the boot in the goddamn airport. So tired. Yeah. So all of the flights them fully booked. Alright, so hold on, let me get some juice because I haven't eaten from morning. All I eat this morning is a freaking biscuit them give me at the airport, in the airplane, and a bottle of water, and that's it. That's all I eat all day. So then I bought some Chick-fil-A. Mash up that I know. But yeah. We'll get some juice first and then tell you the whole shebang. Alright, so guys, let me give a proper update of what's going on. So 3 days ago we get a call say I need to be in Florida. Well, some came up and me have to be in Florida for at what time? In 3 days, right? So book a flight. Reach the airport. First of all, everything go wrong from reach the airport at Jamaica. When you reach one Manly, everything start go wrong. Like when you go through and then pick somebody out of random just to search them. I was that person out of random. They pick me, search me, go through my stuff them and all that. Check, swab, like them swab my hand middle, my phone, my belt buckle, my shoes, my foot, them swab everything. You see if me I carry over nothing. So the girl did a run joke and I say, oh, make sure you don't have no seasoning. So big up to the 2 young lady at the airport. Let me through one thing. Then after that, reach Atlanta. Say alright, cool. Atlanta my place. I always go through Atlanta, never have no problem. Reach customs. Customs decide say yo, they must stop me and interrogate me with a bag of questions and weird things. So first of all, them take my passport, carry me. Let me see if I can get this focus a little bit. Yeah, take my passport, carry me in this room, leave me one in there, call me out, ask me a few questions, then take my phone, go through my phone, take my phone, ask me for the password because them can't do that, them can't go through it based on what they ask. So them ask me a few questions. Finally get through customs now. Finally decide to them gonna make me go through because all the while me sit down in the room, me one sit down in there, me sit down in the lounge. So I say, alright, I like that. I just send me back on my yard. Come back, ask me a few questions. Honestly, I tell him the truth. You guys don't pray me look rough. Unless they tell me the whole truth what happened. Them say, alright, cool. If they prefer emergency, I mean if they prefer. Say, alright, cool, and him sort out the papers give me. By this time, my connecting flight from, should I say this? So my flight was from Jamaica to Atlanta, from Atlanta to Jacksonville. Reach Atlanta, the whole custom part. By time customs finish with me, my freaking flight book and gone about the business. So so that scratch. Alright, the lady tell me say she have a next flight for 9:15 if you want that. I say yeah. Gate B whatever. Run me literally freaking run because that is like 10 minutes me have to reach at the gate. I'm so hungry and tired. Reach at the gate guys. Did plane booked out. They couldn't take nobody. They literally took 3 persons where they did it already. After that, I move, them give me an next ticket and say, alright, 10:25, there's another flight, 10:25, we can't get that. Run like see me go get it because everybody who were there before pretty much a race to get the 10:25 plane because they won't be the one to reach first and get the plane, get the seat. Hell, 10:25, reach there, that the flight book out, them said there's nothing we can do. So I asked the lady when is the next flight. She got tell me say next flight at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So I was stuck at the airport. I've been on the road all day. I'm tired, I'm hungry, my hand is shake, I have work to do. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna set up, eat some food and just get to it because there's nothing else we can do right now except for work. Probably edit a video or two, so we'll see about that. I'm so tired, man. Alright, so guys, I am still here. It is now 12:40. Me make bed. Me make a bed right now because my flight at 8:20 tomorrow, and I need to get at least 2 or 3 hours sleep because if I do that, I'm gonna mash up tomorrow, man. So I'll try to get some 3 hours sleep, and yeah, so let's see how that goes. Oh, I'm showing my bed. So you don't know the strips. This is my bed. But what me do now is that because me now try to catch corona, so I'm gonna take a wipes and wipe down the whole thing before me lie down. Tell myself I did have my pillow. Did have another sweater in my bag, so I just take that out. Alright guys, so it's literally 3 a.m. and I haven't gotten a wink of sleep yet. Yeah. Worst thing about this as well is that every time you need to go to the bathroom or something, you have to pack up your good stuff and carry it to you because you know that way you can't leave your stuff. So yeah, I need to take a pee. Alright, so I feel like I'm gonna cop one of these because you know a nigga ain't gonna travel with no stink breath. Oh my god. Oh, they didn't put the price. So we'll get it from here. Alright guys, so I got my toothpaste and toothbrush right here. Yeah, right here. So you know that goes. Now try the stink mode thing. And worse, move and get the blunt type because of me have on a freaking mask. So any stink breath would not affect me. So in real life, yo, I'm tired of it. So I'm not gonna know. Cause I'm there from yesterday. I'm gonna change my shirt. I just feel dirty, yo. It's 5 o'clock now. So yeah, I'm gonna just wash up, brush my teeth, and just start getting ready to catch my flight. Yeah, that's the Schweppes. So let's go. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Freshen up. So yeah, I have like a full hour and a half before my flight starts board. So that's an hour and a half. Yeah, hour and a half before my board, plane start board again. So. Morning. Thanks. So I'm waiting for an Uber right now, so we see how that goes. It's a black Ford. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Good morning. Alright, so I'll talk to you when I get home. Yeah.